In these next problems, we're going to convert polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. We use the following formula. X, the x-coordinate that is, equals r cosine theta, and the y-coordinate equals r sine theta. Here we're given the polar coordinates 3 comma pi over 2. So those are r comma theta. So the x-coordinate in rectangular coordinates is r cosine theta, so that's 3 times the cosine of pi over 2. Well, the cosine of pi over 2 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. Then the y-coordinate is r sine theta, so that's 3 sine of pi over 2. The sine of pi over 2 is 1, 3 times 1 is 3. So the rectangular coordinates are 0, 3. That answer, by the way, should feel reasonable because 3 comma pi over 2 would be drawn by rotating an angle of 90 degrees and then going up 3 units on the terminal side. 0, 3 is a point on the positive y-axis 3 units above the origin. Now our next point is 7.5 comma 110 degrees in polar coordinates. To get the rectangular coordinates, x equals r cosine theta, so we get 7.5 times the cosine of 110 degrees. This gives us that the x-coordinate is about negative 2.57. Then the y-coordinate is y equals r sine theta, so that's 7.5 times the sine of 110 degrees, which gives me that the y-coordinate is about 7.05. So the rectangular coordinates here are about negative 2.57, comma 7.05. Notice that this is a point that's in the second quadrant. That should make sense because the terminal side of the angle, 110 degrees, is in the second quadrant, and then we go 7.5 units along the terminal side.